Hello everyone, Janet Smith here. Thank you for checking out my head wrap tutorial. I'm going to show you really quickly how to tie this head wrap. So probably the easiest way to show you how to tie it is to untie it in front of you and then work backwards. I'll be honest, probably every single time I tie a head wrap, it looks a little bit different. But let's show you how this one is tied. So I'm gonna take this end out and then take this end out. Oh, okay, now I remember. Working backwards helps me go forward. Okay, so it really doesn't matter if your hair is long or if your hair is short. You can still wear this style. I have my hair all pulled up into two ponytails. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what that looks like. But even still, if you have a lot of hair, it's probably best to put it all on the top of your head in a ponytail. If you have short hair, it doesn't matter. But if you have short hair and you'd still like some height, you can put a scarf on the top of your head. If you have two scarves, you can just put a scarf on the top of your head and then wrap the other one around the way we're going to do now. So as I showed you, the Avenue scarves that we have are pretty thin, pretty sheer, but they're rectangle in shape. So what I like to do is I like to go from the long end and I'm going to start in the back. Let me show you what that looks like. I go to the very middle of the scarf and I put the bottom of it on the back of my neck, and then I gather the scarf just like you see me doing right here. Hello. So I make sure that my ears are uncovered where the earrings are on both sides, and then I have two tails in my hand. So what you want to do is you just want to tie one knot. Just like this. And you're gonna have two sides. It really doesn't matter if they are the same length or if they're a little bit different. These are a little bit different, but that's okay. So you have two sides and you have a knot in the front. What you want to do is you want to kind of fan out this side of your scarf and wrap it around to the other side and hold it over here. And then over here, kind of fan it out so that it's not really tight. Fan it out as big or as little as you want. And then you're gonna twist this end right here. Twist, twist, twist. And bring it around the front. And we probably have to double it. And then tuck underneath the front of your scarf. Simple, right? And then we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. So you're gonna fan this out a little bit and you're gonna bring it around and hold it with this hand so that we can fan out this side. And like I said, you can fan it as much or as little as you want, depending upon how high you want it or how big you want it. So play with that a little bit, and then you can twist the end of it. So this end is a little bit shorter, but that's okay. It's less for us to tuck. So you twist it all the way to the end, and then you're gonna tuck that underneath the front of the scarf. And well, what do you know? You have just completed a head wrap. So you can adjust the sides however you like, if they're too high or too low, or whatever. So now you've completed a head wrap tutorial. How cool is that? I'll turn around so that you can see what it looks like in the back. Congratulations on completing your head wrap tutorial. Show me a picture of yours. I'd love to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.